Good morning and welcome back to my channel. This morning we are sitting with a problem on this IDS X64 alarm system. You can see the system is clearly powered on. The backlight is half lit on the display. So there's clearly life on this keypad, but there's nothing on the display. So I consulted the installer manual on this, and I actually thought I will find a setting on one of the locations to try and set the brightness of this keypad, but I only found the sleep delay, and that's not what I was looking for. There's an easy fix to this though. If you open up the back of the keypad, you will see here's a little variable resistor sitting right there. And you simply set that little resistor, and I'm going to actually set it to overexpose now so it's clearly visible on the camera, but you can set it to what you desire. And let's see now. Magic.